Hello, my name is Geeta Jalunkar and I am currently pursuing Integrated BTech in Computer Science and Engineering along with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from MIT Pune University. As part of our national study tour, we visited Bharatiya Skill Development University, Jaipur, which was an enriching experience. The campus has modern infrastructure, excellent facilities and a strong focus on practical skill-based learning. The academic sessions were engaging, supported with high-quality, well-equipped labs, and the faculty was very knowledgeable, approachable, and they focused on hands-on teaching. The hostel life was one of the main highlights, with modern amenities, morning walks, group sports, and other shared activities. The stay was very both comfortable and fun. Being there during the Makar Sankranti made the experience even more special, and the kite festival organized by the university was lively and memorable. Overall, the visit was a great mix of learning, technology, culture, and student life, and I'd be happy to visit this again in the future.